Good morning.
Good morning from Epcot.
We didn't plan on coming here today,
No.
but because we had our 3 annual pass holder days already booked. So we decided that we wanted to come here today. We didn't want to wait. So we bought just day tickets for today.
Yeah.
So then we can make another reservation.
Yeah, and
So
honestly, it was really easy. I did end up having to call to get the reservation, but there was no wait. Got it right away, got it in like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
But typically, if you buy a day ticket, it would just have you pick your reservation right after.
Yeah.
We just had technical difficulties this morning, but everything's good.
Yeah. Yeah, because I guess what he said that our annual pass was trying to like override our day ticket.
Yeah.
So I thought we had reached our limit, but
Yeah.
we got it all figured out. So we're here. And I'm excited to eat good food.
Because it's the taste.
It's kind of food and wine. It's like a food and wine, flower and garden hybrid kind of thing. Because they said they were going to have like some flower stuff.
I'm
so,
super excited.
I don't know. But I want to go eat good food.
We came here just to eat.
We did.
And do Living with the Land.
Pretty much, yeah. So let's go eat good food and do Living with the Land. So right when you walk in, right after you scan your Magic Band, typically they have like all the booklets right here. Kind of like how they have the maps. But now they don't have the book, like the passports.
Right, but look at all the new planets. These are all new.
Yeah, this is all new. There are so many walls here. But I'm anxious to see what it's gonna look like when all this is done.
Yeah, I think it'll look really nice. It's just in its ugly phase right now.
It is, yeah, because like there's like nothing to look at here.
So I do highly recommend, if you are an annual pass holder, go to guest relations and make sure that your day ticket is going towards your refund for your renewal for your annual pass.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do right now.
Yes.
Alright, so we're right up against Guardians of the Galaxy. They put a green like tarp thing so you can't see directly through the building anymore. So this is one of the projects that will still be continuing now. So they did delay the renovations of Spaceship Earth and the Mary Poppins attraction in England. But Guardians of the Galaxy will still be opening, Ratatouille will still be opening, Space 220 and the center part by the fountain will still all be finished. So they still have some of the flower and garden topiaries up. This one is right by Mouse Gear. I love this one. It's so cute. I wonder which ones they'll have up still. So this is all the flower and garden merch that they are still selling. So they have the jersey shirt and 2 of like the button down orange bird shirts, the backpack and the pitcher. Who doesn't love orange bird? On the other side, there's garden hats, which Jacob could totally rock.
This?
Yeah. And then there are 2 ornaments. There's one with Spike. And there's this one, which we have.
We have that one?
Yep, I just bought it. Opening day of Flower and Garden. I got to come opening day of Flower and Garden, but that was it, and I never got to come back. So if you walk all the way to the back of the store, there is more Flower and Garden merch. I think these are so cute. The flower pot, the watering. I said flower pot, watering pot. Yeah. They have a bunch of phone cases.
If you have an iPhone.
Yeah.
Which we don't.
No, we don't. But this is all the pass holder stuff. That one's cute, the blue shirt.
Oh yeah, that one's not bad.
And then it's Spike B. So they are still doing like the scavenger hunts, but it's definitely too hot today. But we can maybe look for some. But maybe not all.
Probably not. No.
We are on the hunt for food and wine merch.
I don't know what it looks like.
I don't know. I don't even know if they have any.
Yeah, that's
So we're walking from Test Track to the countries, and we noticed that this stand is not open. It does say it's coming this fall. It does have all of the new Taste of Epcot like logos on it, which is super cute. This one definitely looks like it's gonna be like a smokehouse or like something like that. Oh yeah, because look, there's all the smokers.
And because they don't have like passports, they have like this.
Oh, I was wondering how they were doing that.
Now they have it on your phone. They never did that before.
Oh, so we have to look on my phone.
But now you can't like check off your food.
I know, that was the best part.
I don't think. I haven't looked at it.
Huh.
But that's how you get it. You scan it.
Interesting. So right when you walk into the center part where the fountains used to be, well, the fountains used to be behind that wall. But right behind it, they do have this cute display. It's so cute. I love the colors this year.
Yeah, I like the blue and like the reddish.
It's so awesome. It's very modern, which I love.
It is. Because last year it was more like sketchy. Or
Yeah.
Like, I don't know what it was. It was very different from this.
It was, yeah. Yeah, I love this. So cute. Look at Emil. 25 years. Oh, it's the 25th year. I didn't even know that.
It's 25th anniversary.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So I think they have like 25th anniversary.
OMG, so
March.
cute.
But I don't know for sure. Don't quote me on that. I would assume.
Yeah.
It's kind of a milestone, but I don't know. It's not a very good year to have your 25th
I know,
anniversary.
it's sad.
So these, unlike the other one, these look like they're ready to open. Yeah, shimmering sips. I remember this one was on the list.
And notice they have all of the dividers in between the registers.
Yeah.
They had the
looks good.
the soft serve last year.
That looks good. That looks like something you would like, the strawberry. It's weird that the park is technically not open for 5 minutes,
Okay.
but it's like the middle of the day.
It's also weird that we're at Food and Wine and it's July.
That is also weird, yeah. They need to do this in a cooler season.
January.
Like January would be
Yeah,
perfect
but
for
then we
food
have
and
Festival
wine.
of the Arts.
That's true. We'll see what it looks like when you scan the code. I don't know if you can see it. Oh.
Okay, so it has this. Can you see it?
Yeah.
So if you click on Festival Marketplaces, it has the ones that are open. Let's just say Canada. Click on Canada. And then it will have the menus.
Gotcha. So the one thing it doesn't have is the prices.
No.
It doesn't have prices on it.
No. Alright, we just got out of Canada Far and Wide and we were the only people in the theater.
We were also the first people.
First guest of the day.
We're the only people that rope dropped the Canada movie, I think.
Yeah.
Like ever.
So it did answer a few questions. So the Apple Orchard location is in the building in between Canada and England. And the cast members do wear just the flag shirts now. They don't wear like the cultural costumes.
shirts.
Yeah. Yeah.
But not only is the Apple Orchard in that building, they have like, I think 3 or 4 different stands.
Mac and cheese.
Yes. I want to try the mac and cheese stand. I think that's new this year.
Yeah.
But, so we're going to try that out because that's on the way.
Yeah, we'll do that next.
And it's inside, which is even better.
It did drop a little bit when we were in there though. There's way more clouds now.
Yeah, it's not so bad
And there's
now.
a breeze.
Yeah. So if it stays like this all day, it'd be perfect. We're gonna head through Canada. I always love walking through Canada.
I love walking through all of them.
So peaceful in here.
Okay, so this is the building we are talking about. Sometimes they have Character Palooza right here in this little walkway. So this should have the stands that we were talking about.
It's dark in here.
Oh, it is dark in there.
Oh, it's huge. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, look at it, guys.
Oh, there's a couple.
Hi.
Hello.
Wow, guys, look at this. Oh, there's so much room in here.
I like little chandeliers.
Oh my god, this is so nice.
It is nice. It's huge in here.
Oh my gosh.
Did you know it was this big?
No.
Huge.
Okay,
It's
so in here on the far left, mac and cheese, Appleseed Orchard, desserts and champagne by festival favorites. Oh my gosh, what is at the festival favorites?
Pierogies, fisherman's pie, and then all like wine.
Oh, guys, I was hoping the spicy beef buns would be here.
That's China.
I know. Alright, let's go get some mac and cheese.
That's good.
Okay, so here is the menu for the mac and cheese. I'm gonna go with Jacob's getting the buffalo chicken.
Yep.
And I will probably get the gourmet.
It has like carrots and celery and stuff on it.
Oh, yours does?
But even just like the macaroni and cheese, it has sausage and peppers.
It does. So the prices are actually pretty good.
I'll try the lobster.
Oh, lobster. Okay, he's going lobster.
I'm going lobster.
So they have a few ready under the heat, which is nice.
I always love watching them make it.
I know.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lobster and gourmet.
Perfect. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Do you got-
Napkins and utensils ready at the
All
end.
right.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
So I got the gourmet. I don't know what's in it. I think it's just there's like
I think it's
herbs and stuff.
it's like the most plain mac and cheese.
Yeah. Let's try it.
Sorry, the lighting is weird. It must be terrible.
You know what it's like? It's just like Canada's.
Is it?
And then this other white cheese is delicious on it as well.
Mm. I'm glad you like it.
So he ended up going with the lobster, not the buffalo chicken. It's like it's so good, right? It's very good.
Very good.
It's like perfect amount of creaminess and the breadcrumbs. Do you have breadcrumbs too?
I do.
Yeah, it's like perfect. This is like the best $5 I've ever spent.
It is good. You get a lot for $5 too.
You do. All right, next up is the frozen apple pie, $4. It does look a little different from last year.
I feel like it wasn't as much of a slushy.
Yeah, it's definitely, like chunkier.
It's yummy.
Is it good?
It's yummy. So there's a relaxation station over here, right after England, or before. In England, I guess.
Yeah.
You're still in England.
I would definitely just go into the building that we were just in and relax in there.
Well, yeah, because that place is never gonna fill up.
Yeah.
It's huge.
And all you have to do is you could just spend $4 on a frozen apple pie and sit there with your mask off.
Yeah.
So you can relax in there, and they play calming music in there. I was like I was gonna sleep.
I know. I was like dozing off.
Yeah.
So peaceful.
Yeah.
So this is a sign. This is a sign that I haven't seen yet. And the key word in this one is stationary. Eating and drinking while stationary. Because you said they changed the rule, right? That now you can't eat and drink while you walk.
Yeah, so before if you had like a drink in your hand, people would just take your mask off and drink it.
Yeah.
Now you have to be stationary, which is what's similar to what happened to us at Magic Kingdom. We wanted to eat ice cream. You had to stay in like a location to eat your ice cream.
Because now they figured out that people just get like a bottle of water.
Yeah.
So then they have an excuse to walk around without their mask on.
Yeah.
But
But
now
it is kind of hard because like it's really hot. So like I'm gonna drink this. Like I think with water they're a little less, strict on it.
Yeah. But I think they want you to just find like a spot and just chill there
Yeah.
and then
For
keep
sure.
moving. Yeah.
I think it's more too on like the eating, because that like eating takes a while than taking a quick drink of water.
Right.
So
Yeah.
definitely here for like food and wine.
Yeah. We'll head to France. I want to see if they have if you can like see Ratatouille, like the
Yeah.
ride, or if they have any stuff or anything. I don't know.
I think the entrance is like ready to go.
Is it?
So as you can see, right above that construction wall is the Ratatouille entrance. So So you don't just walk back there and then like the ride's right there. There's like a whole new section back there with a crepe restaurant or stand or something, and the ride. So it's more of like a courtyard you walk back to when you go back there.
Yeah.
Look at Remy.
Giant spoon.
They should have a meal.
Oh, you sit on a big wheel of cheese.
Ah.
All right. Our next food stop is Brazil. You're getting the cheese bread.
Yes, it's so good.
I don't even want to try to pronounce it, but that's it.
I don't know what it's called, but it's so good. I don't know if this was here for Food and Wine last year. I want to say it was here for like Festival of the Arts.
I don't remember.
It was, but they've had it before. I feel like it wasn't for Food and Wine.
Gotcha. All right.
I do want to say, when I got this last time, you got 3.
Oh,
So like cut it down.
what the heck? That's what they look.
I'll show you what they
They're
look
like
like on the
little
inside.
pockets.
They're just filled with cheese.
Oh yeah. Interesting.
It's good.
I'm not a big like cheese person.
You won't like it because it's really cheesy.
Yeah, that's not really me.
I like it.
But it's good.
How much? $4.50. I think $4.50 is a good amount for this sample.
Yeah.
Because there's like not much to it. I kind of feel like it'd be good with like a dipping sauce with the cheese. But
That's
still
kind of
good.
what I thought it was.
It's still good plain.
So we just talked to a cast member at one of the stands, and because we noticed that so far, like it's all the merch has just been pretty much flower and garden.
Yes.
And she said that there will be food and wine merch, but not yet. She said not till the end of August.
Yeah.
So they're gonna have this festival go for almost 2 months without any merch. That's
That's
surprising.
a long time, definitely, because I mean the merch is probably one of the most popular things. Like people spend a lot on the merch.
Yeah.
So I'm surprised that they're waiting that long. It might just have to do with like them getting it here.
Yeah, I don't know if it was like a rush to like design it all or like
Right.
they've been trying to do it quick, because I think they planned on doing regular food and wine.
Yeah.
So they made all this other stuff in a hurry, and that's the soonest they can get it. 'Cause I
Right.
don't think they would. I can't imagine they would like wait on purpose for any reason, but I don't
Yeah.
know. But so yeah, so not till the end of August. So if
Yeah.
you plan on coming to the festival before then, you won't get any merch.
Right. But like from the looks of like the like the logos and the just like the art, the merch should be pretty cool this year.
I've never seen bad food and wine merch. This
Yeah.
festival always has the best stuff.
They are really good at designing food and wine merch.
Yeah.
So obviously they're not doing Eat to the Beat, but the Jameters play out here instead.
And
For-
the mariachi band.
Why does the mariachi band play in America? Oh, so Elsa has to watch. So we were waiting at American Adventure, and you always have to listen for the music, because that means people are coming. So Germany is open, and they have the typical, they have like the cheese noodles, the bratwurst, and the apple strudel. Oh yeah, she's coming back. They are, wow. Oh, that's exciting. Alrighty. Our next stop, and this will probably be our last stop for food and wine today, China. We're gonna get the beef bao bun and a water.
Yes.
So the line for Frozen Ever After all of a sudden got super long. It's like all the way back here. And here comes Elsa and Anna again. Yum, yum, yum. It's not what we thought it was gonna be, but it's different.
I didn't know what it was going to be. I'm not going to be able to. Oh, it's so mushy.
Alright, so last year we got the spicy beef buns.
I don't know what they
Spicy
were.
something.
They're like little pocket things.
So this is definitely different than what we thought they were gonna be. Jacob's gonna try it.
Oh, it's yummy.
Is it?
Yeah. All right, to our last country, Mexico.
We're coming back here for dinner later.
We are.
We're gonna do the ride now. It's a good ride inside.
It is. It's a nice, long, cool ride.
Yeah, for sure.
So when you walk in, they force you down the ramp on the right side to go in, and then the ramp, you can see the exit sign right there, the ramp on the other side to go out.
Yeah, this is definitely a hard spot to social distance because there's like so much in here.
Yeah.
But there's not a lot of space to like spread out.
Yeah, it's kind of crammed.
We have stars to guide us. Alright, so we are in Akashus, and this is all a relaxation station, which is really nice because it's all air conditioned. I've actually never eaten in here, so it is cool to see it. So usually this is a character dining. Guessing you take a picture there. Oh, and there's probably the buffet.
We might on the way home, yeah.
Eddie! Hey, Papa.
But we're gonna eat after this.
There's a lot of seating in here. So the princesses are usually in here vary. It is usually Aurora, Snow White, I want to say Belle, and Rapunzel maybe? Let's see. So it is very big.
So test track is back up and running. But I'm curious to see what they do with like the customize your vehicle part.
Right, and this vehicle is very small, so I'm guessing it's just gonna be us.
Yeah. But I want to see if they still let you customize your car.
I know, because we always
Or-
had so much fun doing that.
Yeah. But I'm guessing no. I'm guessing you just go
I'm
straight
guessing
to the
no.
ride. But we'll see. So you just walk straight through the studio.
No, but then we go, I think we loop her back around and then go through the other door.
But you don't get to make your vehicle.
No.
Look
all
how
the
dark it
screens are
is.
mostly black.
It's
So
sad.
right up here, you're gonna see that. So we're gonna turn
Oh
back
yeah.
into the other design room and then back out.
Oh, interesting. Oh, interesting.
Ooh.
Ooh. Right out.
It is really bright. Whoa. That seemed way faster than usual.
All right.
One little spark of inspiration is at the heart.
That was nice. So this is the first time we've been not in the countries all day.
Yeah, so this is only like the opposite day of yesterday. Yesterday was bam, 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 ride, ride, ride.
Yeah.
This is our second ride of the day, and it's 6 o'clock.
It's only a 5-minute wait. I'm guessing it's not even 5 minutes. We'll just walk on.
Yeah.
That's my guess. Because I don't see a single person. Oh yeah, we'll just walk
people.
on. There are people. I mean, they're getting on, but
I'm guessing for this they're doing just one family per train section.
yeah, probably.
The eye chart to test your vision. Now, all
There's
together,
Biggie.
if you would please read line 3 and
With F-I-G-N-T-N-T, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes.
Sing along with
but I'm not sure what you can
Figment.
see if you use your
I don't know
head.
the word.
They follow the bouncing Figment. One spark of light can light your fancy. Your mind sees more than what your eyes see.
Imagination is the brain's open house.
Biggie likes popcorn, just like me.
course, imagination is just
And bath. Me and Biggie are so much alike.
Those bubbles are so close.
Ew.
I know a shortcut.
What meal is that?
Onion rings.
But then there's like a sandwich. Is it like a breakfast sandwich?
we all have sparks.
Imagination. Next up, the land.
My favorite Epcot ride is living with the land.
Yeah, I say don't get confused. It's not Soarin'. It's living with the land.
I love that.
So walking in, there took a lot of seating away in here.
It's so empty in here.
Yeah, and you can see all the white things on the tables. Those are all saying that you cannot sit there.
Well, and right when you walk in, they have a mobile order thing. So you
They
can
do,
mobile
yeah.
Order from the seasons. I forgot the name.
Yes. The garden grill is open. I don't know if there's, right now I don't see any characters, so it might just be open for just dinner, but not a character dinner.
Because I don't know if the characters can get far enough away.
Yeah,
It's
because-
like a really small.
Yeah, for sure.
And into the future.
Look at that. They missed us. Welcome back. We missed you.
back.
The tropics are home to the
So in
greatest
some of
diversity
the
of plants on the
boats, we
planet.
saw dividers
Many
in
of
between
these,
each row.
like papaya,
In
bananas,
ours, there's
cacao,
none.
coffee,
No.
and rice are well known.
You can have dinner out here. Just kidding.
See, that's
That'd be
like
kinda
the
cool,
perfect
though.
mix of the two, because like you're eating, and then there's all the plants around you.
Exactly.
So the two festivals come together.
Some of our best ideas have been inspired
are
by
different.
nature,
Oh,
like
yeah.
these fruit and vegetable trees. By growing these ground plants vertically, we can increase yields and better control diseases. These crops taste as good as they look.
Oh, these
In
crops.
fact,
What do
we
you say,
serve
plants? All right, so that was our night at Epcot. We did Spaceship Earth and Soarin' and Nemo after you saw us. So we did everything today except for Frozen. Yeah, it was definitely short. It's not like it was too long that we didn't do it. We just didn't want to wait in the sun.
Yeah. Yeah. It was a good day.
Yeah.
I loved the food and wine. I mean, I know it wasn't like full on food and wine.
It was a nice taste, like
Yeah.
they say.
Yeah, but you can tell that they're gearing up for more.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, it felt like, it definitely felt like a smaller food and wine just because they didn't have any merch and they didn't
Yeah.
have all the stands. But they'll have more stands because they have ones that are opening soon.
It definitely felt more just like a festival of the holidays because there's like usually not that many stands. So I
Yeah.
would say it's like the same amount of stands with festival of the holidays.
Yeah, yeah, but we still found food that we liked. And yeah,
Yeah, it was a great day. It's good to be back at Epcot.
it was.
So yeah.
Yeah,
All right.
good day. We'll see you soon.
Bye.